Student. Hello students. Today we are going to do question answer of chapter first of science of class 9. Question first. Convert the following temperature to the Celsius scale. A 300 K or B 5. Kelvin is an SI unit of temperature where 0 degree Celsius is equal 273.16 K, approximately 273 K. A इसका आंसर है 300 K is equal 300 minus 273 centigrade is equal to 27 Celsius. B 573 K is equal 573 minus 273 Celsius is equal 300 Celsius. Convert the following temperature to Kelvin scale. A 25 Celsius और B है 373 Celsius. Kelvin is an SI unit of temperature where 0 degree Celsius is equal 273.16 K, approximately 273 K. A है 25 degree Celsius is equal 25 plus 273 K is equal 298 K. B 373 Celsius is equal 373 plus 273 K is equal 646 K. अब क्वेश्चन थर्ड है, गिव रीज़न फॉर द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशन. फर्स्ट ए पार्ट, नेप्थलीन बॉल्स डिसअपियर विद टाइम विदाउट लीविंग एनी सॉलिड. इसका आंसर है नेप्थलीन undergoes sublimation easily. The change of state of naphthalene from solid to gas take place easily. Thus, naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Question B. First का give reason, second B है. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meter away. इसका आंसर है gases particle passes high speed and large spaces between them. Particles of perfume diffuse into these gases particles at a very fast rate and reach our nostril. This enables us to smell the perfume from a distance. Question number 4. Arrange the following substance in increasing order of forces of attraction between particles: water, sugar, oxygen. Answer: sugar is a solid. The force of attraction between the particles of sugar are strong. Water is a liquid. The force of attraction here are weaker than sugar. Oxygen is a gas. The force of attraction are the weakest in gases. Thus, the increasing order of the forces of attraction between the particles of water, sugar and oxygen is oxygen, water, sugar. Question number 5. What is the physical state of water at? A पार्ट है 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. वाटर एट, आंसर है इसका वाटर एट 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज प्रेजेंट इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. क्वेश्चन बी 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. आंसर एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस वाटर कैन exit as both solid and liquid. At this temperature, after getting the heat equal to the latent heat of fusion, the solid form of water ice start changing into its liquid from water. C. 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius, water can exit as both liquid and gas. At this temperature, after getting that heat equal to the latent heat of vaporization, water starts changing from its liquid to its gaseous state, water vapor. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, गिव रीज़न टू जस्टिफाई. ए पार्ट है वाटर एट रूम टेम्परेचर इज द लिक्विड. आंसर, एट रूम टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस वाटर इज द लिक्विड बिकॉज इट हैज़ द फॉलोइंग करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लिक्विड. फर्स्ट रीज़न है इसका, एट रूम टेम्परेचर वाटर हैज़ नो शेप बट हैज़ ए फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम, दैट इज it is occupies the shape of the container in which it is kept. Second reason है इसका, at room temperature water flows. Question B, an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. इसका आंसर है an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature 25 degrees Celsius because. First reason है इसका, it has a definite shape and volume like a solid at room temperature. Second reason है, it is rigid as solid at room temperature. Question number 7, why is ice at 273 K more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Answer, ice at 273 K has less energy than both are at the same temperature. Water possesses the additional latent heat of fusion. Hence, at 273 K, ice is more effective in cooling than water. Question number 8, what produces more surf, burns, boiling water or steam? Answer, steam has more energy than boiling water. It possesses the additional latent heat of vaporization. Therefore, burns produced by steam are more safety than those produced by boiling water. यहीं अपने ये वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर ख़त्म होते हैं. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम रीड करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.